was the hardest thing. Having your child cry, say, "Mommy, help me."
That Oceanside mother is sharing her heartbreak after her 3-year-old son fell ill with a severe case of a rare COVID-19 complication. As our ABC 10 News reporter Michael Chen found out, the condition quickly became life-threatening.
Brielle Bracey, her husband Devin, and 3-year-old son Kawhi all tested positive for COVID in early February. Brielle had the most severe symptoms. Kawhi appeared to be asymptomatic.
Obviously, we did watch him and monitor him closely, but he was just his normal self.
Then, a month later, last Wednesday,
Just shaking, violently shaking. So he goes to walk and he's trembling, and then he fell.
at Rady Children's Hospital, Kawhi was diagnosed with pneumonia and MIS-C, which stands for multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children, an inflammatory reaction some 2 to 6 weeks after exposure to COVID.
It's hard dealing with watching your child struggle to survive.
Kawhi developed a fever, a rash all over his body, stomach pains. His heart wasn't pumping correctly. His oxygen levels dropped to dangerous levels.
It was the hardest thing. Having your child cry, say, "Mommy, help me."
Kawhi's treatment regimen included a blood transfusion, steroids, and anakinra, a drug used to treat arthritis. A week later, signs of hope. His heart issues have improved, though his oxygen levels are not all the way back. Brielle says she's hopeful Kawhi will be released in the next few weeks.
They're saying probably for the rest of his life, they're going to have to monitor his heart.
Brielle says she's sharing her story to increase awareness so parents can get help quickly.
I wouldn't wish this on anybody. No child should have to suffer this way.
Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.
So hard for a parent to watch that. Wow. Since April, Rady Children's Hospital reports nearly 60 cases of MIS-C, the majority of those in just the last few months. A GoFundMe campaign has been set up to help with Kawhi's aftercare and other expenses. There is a link right now on our homepage.